There are moments in life when you feel like you're just existing, not truly living. For years, that was me, stuck in a perpetual gray fog, dragging myself through days that blurred into weeks and weeks into months. My energy was a flickering candle, my focus a scattered jigsaw puzzle, and my body, well, my body felt like it was silently protesting every demand I placed upon it. I was Alex, and I was tired of being tired. Every morning, I'd pull myself out of bed, already anticipating the mid-afternoon slump. My breakfast was usually a hurried affair, toast, cereal, or whatever processed convenience food I could grab. By 11 a.m., my brain would start to feel like it was wading through molasses, and by 3 p.m., I was desperately reaching for another coffee, or worse, something sugary, just to make it to dinner. My workouts, once a source of pride, had become a chore, recovery a slow, painful process. I was pushing 40, and I felt like I was rapidly accelerating towards 70. I tried all the usual suspects, different diets, new exercise routines, supplements that promised miracles. Nothing stuck. Nothing truly helped. I was starting to believe this was just life. This was my new normal. Then came Sarah. Sarah, a friend from my running club, was one of those people who radiated vitality. She was a few years older than me, yet she moved with an effortless grace, her eyes bright, her energy boundless. She noticed my dwindling enthusiasm, my increasingly frequent complaints of fatigue. One crisp autumn morning after a particularly sluggish run, she turned to me, a kind, knowing smile on her face. "Alex," she said, "you look like you're running on fumes. Have you ever considered a simple change? Something truly foundational?" I braced myself for another expensive supplement recommendation or a complicated meal plan. "I'm open to anything, Sarah," I sighed, "but I've tried most things." She chuckled softly. "It's not complicated, and it won't break the bank. How about you try eating 4 eggs every single day?" My mind immediately went to the old warnings, the decades of fear-mongering about cholesterol. "Eggs are bad for your heart," echoed the voices from my past. "All that cholesterol will clog your arteries." But Sarah, with that same gentle, knowing smile, gently corrected me. "Alex," she began, "we've learned so much since
One
then.
tiny idea,
Modern science shows
one
that
giant
eggs
line
don't
of
raise
happiness."
bad cholesterol. In fact, they do the opposite. They actually improve your cholesterol profile by significantly increasing your HDL. That's your good cholesterol. And for the LDL, the bad stuff, eggs actually make those particles larger and less dangerous. Plus, they help improve your triglyceride levels. It's a complete myth that they're harmful. It's quite the opposite, actually. I was skeptical, but Sarah's conviction was infectious. Desperate for any glimmer of hope, I decided to give it a shot. 4 eggs a day. It sounded so deceptively simple. I started the very next morning, scrambling for eggs with a dash of salt and pepper. The first thing I noticed wasn't a thunderclap, but a gentle dawn. My morning slump, that inevitable gravitational pull towards the coffee pot and our after breakfast, began to recede. Instead of feeling a dip, I felt a steady current of energy. It wasn't the jittery rush of caffeine, but a calm, sustained power. I found myself less prone to the mid-morning snack attack, that frantic search for anything sugary to jolt me awake. The satiety was real, a quiet hum of satisfaction that lasted for hours. Sarah had mentioned the egg yolks were a unique and efficient energy source, about 65% usable by the body, and I was feeling it firsthand. My energy felt stable, my focus sharper, and the mental fog, it wasn't gone overnight, but it was lifting, like a mist slowly dissipating to reveal a clearer landscape. My thoughts felt sharper, my concentration more sustained during work tasks. I could remember details more easily, and my problem-solving felt less like a struggle and more like a fluid process. Sarah had explained that eggs were packed with choline, B12, and folate, powerhouses for the body's methylation process. She said this process was crucial for DNA repair, detoxification, and even the production of vital brain chemicals. It was as if my brain had been operating on a half-empty tank, and now it was finally getting the premium fuel it needed. The phospholipids, those essential fats tucked away in the yolk, were apparently working their magic too, enhancing my memory, learning, and even balancing my mood. I felt a subtle, but undeniable shift towards a more positive outlook. As the weeks turned into a month, I started getting more intentional. Sarah had also advised that combining eggs with certain foods could maximize their nutritional impact. So, I started experimenting, adding fresh arugula to my scrambled eggs, a sprinkle of black pepper, some diced tomatoes, sometimes a slice of avocado, drizzled with good olive oil. It wasn't just a meal, it was a ritual of nourishment, a daily commitment to my well-being. My workouts, which had felt like a constant battle against fatigue and slow recovery, started to transform. I was lifting with more purpose, running with more endurance. The next day, the usual soreness was diminished, not entirely gone, but certainly more manageable. It felt like my muscles were finally getting the building blocks they needed, recovering faster, growing stronger. Sarah had mentioned something about biological value, how the protein in eggs was almost perfectly utilized by the body, 100% usable, she'd said. I was living proof. This incredible protein wasn't just fueling muscle recovery, it was supporting strong bones, hormone production, and even giving my immune system a noticeable boost. And for someone like me, pushing into my 40s, that was revolutionary. Leucine, a powerful amino acid found abundantly in eggs, was apparently the secret ingredient, firing up muscle repair and growth, especially beneficial for exercisers and people like me who were past their prime muscle building years. It wasn't just about feeling better, it was about feeling younger, more resilient. Sarah had also emphasized the importance of quality, pasture-raised and organic if you can, Alex. She'd advised, the difference in nutrient density is remarkable, but even conventional eggs are a universe, better than those processed cereals and pastries you used to grab. So, I made the switch, seeking out the best quality I could find, knowing that every choice contributed to this burgeoning sense of well-being. And cooking them, of course, was key, not just for safety, but to unlock all those hidden treasures, eliminating any risk of iodine deficiency that raw eggs might pose. I looked in the mirror one morning, not with the usual sigh of resignation, but with a flicker of genuine surprise. The dullness in my eyes had been replaced by a subtle brightness. My skin, once sallow, had a healthier glow. I felt lighter, both physically and mentally. It was as if a hidden switch had been flipped, illuminating parts of me I hadn't realized were in darkness. The simple act of eating 4 eggs a day had started a profound transformation, and I knew, with a thrill of anticipation, that this was only the beginning. There was so much more to discover about the incredible power nestled within that unassuming shell. The simple act of eating 4 eggs a day had started a profound transformation, and I knew, with a thrill of anticipation, that this was only the beginning. There was so much more to discover about the incredible power nestled within that unassuming shell. The initial physical improvements were undeniable, but what truly captivated me was the shift in my mental landscape. The fog that had often clouded my thoughts, particularly in the mid-afternoon, began to lift entirely. I found myself approaching tasks with a clarity and sustained focus I hadn't experienced in years. It wasn't a sudden jolt like caffeine, but a steady, reliable stream of mental energy that felt entirely natural. Sarah had explained that the egg yolks, often misunderstood, were a unique and incredibly efficient energy source, approximately 65% usable by the body. This wasn't just about calories, it was about the quality of that energy, helping to stabilize my blood sugar, improve my concentration, and maintain satiety for far longer than any processed breakfast ever had. No more desperate hunts for snacks or sugar crashes that derail my productivity. This newfound mental agility, I soon learned, was deeply connected to a complex internal process called methylation. Eggs, particularly the yolks, were a powerhouse of nutrients like choline, B12, and folate, all crucial players in supporting this vital bodily function. Sarah had painted a vivid picture of methylation as the body's master switchboard, involved in everything from DNA repair and detoxification to the production of essential brain chemicals. Understanding this, it suddenly made sense why my brain felt sharper, my thoughts more organized, and even my mood more stable. It wasn't just about feeling less tired, it was about my brain operating at a higher, more efficient level, enhancing everything from memory and learning to overall cognitive function. Phospholipids, those essential fats also found abundantly in the yolk, were apparently the unsung heroes, directly nourishing brain cells and further enhancing memory, focus, and emotional balance. The mentally lighter feeling I'd observed wasn't just wishful thinking. It was a tangible biological upgrade. And those eyes, once dull and tired, continued to surprise me. The subtle brightness I'd first noticed seemed to deepen into a genuine vibrancy. It turned out the egg yolks were packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that acted like internal sunglasses, protecting my eyes from the damaging effects of UV light and the constant blue light from screens. I started noticing small improvements in my night vision, too, seeing details in low light conditions that I used to miss. It was like my world was becoming clearer, sharper, literally and figuratively. My journey with eggs wasn't just about fixing what was broken. It was about optimizing every system in my body. Sarah had also enlightened me about a broader spectrum of vitamins nestled within those golden yolks. Vitamin K2, for instance, a relatively unknown but incredibly important nutrient, was working silently to support strong bones and keep my arteries flexible and healthy, a crucial consideration as I aged. Retinol, the active form of vitamin A, was boosting my immune system and contributing to that healthier glow in my skin. And vitamin D, often associated with sunlight, was there too, playing its vital role in bone health, hormone regulation, and even mood elevation. It was a complete nutritional symphony, each component playing its part in creating a healthier, more resilient Alex. I remember discussing my cholesterol levels with Sarah a few months in. Initially, I'd been a little apprehensive, having grown up with the old narrative about eggs and heart disease. But she patiently explained the modern science, Alex. Those old fears were largely unfounded. Eggs don't raise bad cholesterol. In fact, they actively improve your cholesterol profile. She went on to detail how the nutrients in eggs increase the beneficial HDL cholesterol, made the potentially harmful LDL particles larger and less dangerous, and even improved triglyceride levels. My own blood work, when it came back, confirmed her words. My doctor, a man who usually offered cautious nods, had looked genuinely impressed. "Whatever you're doing, Alex," he'd said, "keep it up. Your numbers are excellent." This empirical validation was incredibly reassuring, silencing any lingering doubts and solidifying my commitment. The ongoing conversation with Sarah, my personal wellness guide, continued to refine my approach. "Remember, Alex," she'd reiterate, "the quality of your eggs truly matters. Pasture-raised and organic eggs, where the chickens forage naturally, deliver a superior nutrient profile. They're richer in omega-3 vitamins, and antioxidants. But even if those aren't always accessible, conventional eggs are still a far better choice than the processed breakfast foods that dominate supermarket aisles." I made it a point to seek out the best I could find, understanding that this small investment translated into significant returns for my health. And the simple act of cooking them, as she'd initially advised, not only made them delicious, but also ensured I was fully absorbing all their benefits, eliminating any theoretical risk of vitamin deficiency from raw consumption. But the journey didn't end with just eating eggs. Sarah encouraged me to think about synergy. Imagine, she suggested, combining your eggs with other nutrient powerhouses, arugula, with its detoxification properties, onions, for their antioxidants, a sprinkle of black pepper to boost nutrient absorption, fresh tomatoes for lycopene, creamy avocado for healthy fats, and cooking them in high-quality olive oil or pasture-raised butter. That's not just a meal, Alex, that's a nutritional masterpiece. I started experimenting, turning my daily for eggs into a canvas for culinary creativity and enhanced nutrition. My morning scramble became a vibrant, delicious ritual, each ingredient thoughtfully chosen to maximize the health benefits. Looking back, the transformation was profound. I had started as a skeptical man, burdened by the typical ailments of modern life, low energy. Mental fog, the creeping feeling of age. I had searched for complex solutions, expensive supplements, and restrictive diets. But the answer, surprisingly, had been so simple, so accessible, so utterly unassuming. 4 eggs a day. It wasn't just about the protein, or the vitamins, or the healthy fats. It was about the holistic power of a truly complete food. It was about choosing real nourishment over convenience, understanding my body, and giving it the tools it needed to thrive. My journey with eggs wasn't just a story of improved health. It was a testament to the fact that profound change often begins with small, consistent, and well-informed choices. It was a reminder that our bodies are incredibly resilient and capable of healing and optimizing. Given the right fuel, I wasn't just surviving anymore. I was flourishing. I had rediscovered a vitality I thought was lost to time, and I knew, with every fiber of my being, that this vibrant, energetic, and clear-minded Alex was here to stay. And it all started, quite simply, with a daily dose of nature's perfect food.